In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Wix Studio. If you've made an edit in your Wix Studio site and want to quickly reverse it, don't worry. Wix Studio gives you a couple of simple ways to undo changes. Whether you just made a small mistake a moment ago or you need to roll your site back to an earlier saved version. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Make sure you are inside the project you want to work on, because all of the undo options we're covering happen directly within the editor. If you only need to undo a recent change, the fastest method is to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z. This works just like it does in many other design and editing tools. As soon as you press it, Wix Studio will reverse your most recent action. This is especially helpful for quick fixes, like if you moved an element, deleted something by accident, or changed a setting you didn't mean to change. If you prefer using the on-screen controls instead of keyboard shortcuts, you can also click the undo arrow icon in the top toolbar of the Studio editor. This does the same thing as Ctrl-Z and is a great option if you want a more visual way to step back through recent edits. Now, if the change you want to undo happened earlier and a simple undo isn't enough, you can use site history for a full rollback. To get there, click the Wix Studio icon in the top left corner of the editor. From there, hover over Site and then select Site History. Once Site History opens, you will see a chronological timeline of auto-saved versions in the left panel. This is useful because it lets you go back through previous versions of your site and find a point before the unwanted changes were made. Take your time browsing through the saved versions until you find the one that looks right. When you find a version you want to check, click it to preview it. Previewing is important because it helps you confirm that you are choosing the correct version before making any permanent changes. If it's the version you want, click Restore. Then click Restore again to confirm and undo the changes by returning your site to that earlier version. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.